Hi, my name is Hannah Owens, and today I'm going to give you kind of a quick walkthrough on affiliate links and passive income. Okay, so what affiliate links and passive income is basically several of our suppliers have these links, okay, a URL that you can share with your clients. You can actually embed them on your personal website, or you can use them in a Facebook post or any other type of social media post along with a travel ad in order to promote your business. When they click on these links, some of them have the ability for your client to actually book their trip or their excursion through the link, and you receive an email so that you can receive commission on that. Okay. And then you turn around and just fill out the commission tracking form. A few of them, though, are for viewing only. So, for instance, they will be able to go in, they can click on the link, they can kind of get an idea of what they want to do, and kind of plan their vacation. And then it'll have your information tied to your link. So, once they're done exploring and coming up with ideas, they'll be able to reach out to you and let you know that they're ready to book and they'll know exactly what they're wanting. Okay. So we're going to do a really quick walkthrough of each one of these for you guys. Okay. The first one we're going to go through is FirstMate. So Virgin Voyages. Okay. This is firstmates.com and you're going to sign in. Okay. Once you have signed into FirstMates, up where it says your name in the top right corner, you're going to click on it and go to My Profile. And Virgin Voyages is a bookable one, meaning that if they book, they can actually book their own cruise through your link. Okay. So we'll call this one a bookable one. So right here underneath your personal details, it has a first mate link where it says copy link. You click on that and you can copy and paste it and you can either embed it in your website or you can put it in an ad. Okay. And you can share that with your clients. The next one we're going to go over is golden tickets. Golden Tickets also has a bookable link. Okay. So when you register with Golden Ticket, right over here where it says affiliate sign up, okay, and you're going to click on the sign up form and you're going to fill it out. And usually within 24 hours, they will email you your custom link. Okay. And you can share that. That one also is a bookable one where they can actually book their own tickets and you'll receive an email letting you know that you need to submit your commission tracking form. The next one is Classic Vacations. Now, Classic Vacations, I do want to say that as of right now, they've been having some issues with things being unavailable as far as destinations and whatnot. So I'm not sure what that's all about. But for this specifically, for what we're talking about today, let me get signed in here. And I will show you where to go for this one. So once you're signed into Classic Vacations, you have these three lines in the upper left corner. Okay. And you're going to go down to private label. Okay. And then you are going to go to private label again. Okay. You can upload a profile picture, do any of that stuff that you want to do. Okay. If you're going to have your over here, you're going to have your vanity URL. After you finish uploading anything you want, uploading a logo, your picture, make sure that all of your stuff that you want them to see is here. Okay. For instance, your business email, your phone number. Okay. Anything like that, you want to make sure you have that completed. And then you can copy and paste your URL. Again, this one also is bookable, meaning they can book their trip through your link and you will receive that special email. Okay. Then, for those of you who have been with the company for 6 months or longer and you are able to get registered with Sandals, Sandals also has a bookable link. And it is not just for Sandals, but they have it for their beaches resorts, which is their family friendly resorts. They have destinations for beaches in Turks and Caicos as well as Jamaica. Okay. And then Sandals, they have properties in several different destinations. So when you are registered with Sandals, after you log in, you just simply hover, don't click, just hover over where it says your account at the top and you go to co-brand profile. Okay. Right here, each one of these, you see it's a big block. Each one of these is their own specific one. So if you read the fine print, this is just your basic one, okay? If you click this next one, you can see where it says honeymoons. This one's going to bring them more honeymoon specific things to look at, okay? And weddings, and then sandals, ones that specialize in golf, as you can see here. Okay, so you can copy just one. And the nice thing about this is if you just share the one, once they are clicked into your link, they'll be able to go and look at honeymoons or weddings or anything that they would like. Okay, so they can go explore everything within sandals through that one link. You don't have to share every specific one with them. But if you're wanting to share to, let's say, a honeymoon or weddings group on Facebook, you may want to start with the honeymoon or weddings link. Okay. That's totally personal preference. Then beaches, the same thing. Okay. You have honeymoon, weddings, activities, and golf. Okay. And then beaches overall. Okay. And again, these are bookable links. Okay. So you can take these and people can book right through your link and you'll get that email letting you know, hey, congratulations, somebody has booked through your link. You need to fill your commission tracking form. Okay. Next up is Disney. So Disney is a little bit different because it is not a bookable link. This is one for, I would say, for viewing. Okay. What they can do is they can go in, they can explore through your link. And I'm going to get in here before I go into too much more. Let me pull it up for you. It's under marketing tools. Okay. And it is under e-brochures and mini site. Okay, it's a Disney site builder and click to get started. Okay, and you can all these different things. We're going to go create a mini site. I already have mine, so I'm going to just click on manage. Otherwise, you would click create. Okay, so as you can see, it has my business name and all of that. Okay, I have Walt Disney World and all these different things. So we're going to click on it. And you can actually pick which template you would like to use and click continue. What happens when somebody clicks on your link, I will show you. When they click on it, this is what they're going to see. And see, it has your company name. Okay, you don't want to use ARC. You want to put your personal, because you're branding yourself, right? So you want to put your company name, okay? And they can click around on here. They can explore Walt Disney World. They can explore Disneyland, Disney Cruise. So let's say they want to explore Disney Cruise. Okay, they can come through here, look at special current offers that are going on, anything and everything. They can explore the different ships, the destinations, and then contact us. Okay, and it'll have your email and everything, and they can reach out to you to book this. But this gives them an opportunity to really get a deep dive into what Disney has to offer. And so when they call you, they may not be so lost, right? They're like, oh, I already know because I went and I looked and I saw I want to be in this Disney World Resort hotel, and I want to be at this, and I want to do this and this and this. They're going to be able to plan their trip and let you know, and then you can book it for them. Okay. Next up is Viking River Cruises. Again, with this one, this is a for viewing. Okay, so they cannot actually book this themselves, but they can go in and plan their trip and then reach out to you. Okay. So once you've registered with them, let's see here, you're going to go down in my co-branded website. Okay. And you can fill in again your information and everything. Okay. And create your personal web address. Okay. So you can put your business name right here. And then it's going to have Viking River Cruises. Okay. And you can copy this, and that's the link. Okay. And then we have Tin Leg. So Tin Leg is travel insurance. Guys, amazing. They pay a flat rate of 17% commission on any insurance that is sold. Okay. You can do this for your client or for travel insurance specifically. I actually prefer to let my clients choose their own because then I don't have to worry about reading all the fine print, right? That's not on my shoulders. I can offer this to them and say, hey, this is the different options you have. they can read through them themselves and they can determine what level of coverage they want. Okay. So with Tinleg, once you're logged in, right here it says agent link. This right here is that link. They can purchase it themselves. And again, you'll receive an email letting you know, hey, you need to fill out a commission tracking form. Okay. So Royal Caribbean has one for the new Icon ship that is sailing out January of 2024. Okay. So once you get into Cruising Power, okay, you're going to sign in under sales and marketing. You're going to click on Discover Icon of the Seas. We're going to skip the video for now because we're not interested in that. So you can scroll down to the bottom, all the way down. Okay. What you're going to do is you can put your name. You can, it'll auto populate to Archer Travel every time. You can actually take this out. Okay. Again, we're branding ourselves. I don't know why it doesn't save, probably because we are registered with them as part of Archer Travel, but you can come in and change this. Okay, you can update you're gonna change, make sure you change your phone number. You don't want them calling Archer Travel, right? You want them calling you. Okay, so then you can have a little custom message. You can leave it how it is, okay, and you can share with your client. Okay, so it's automatically copied that link. So what's going to happen if we go to that link that we just copied, and you can share this with your clients, okay, they're going to get the exact same page that you just saw on our travel agent portal. They can watch the video. Okay, let's say they're like, I care about the stupid video. Let's just move along, right? Okay, they can scroll down. They can see everything about Icon. Okay, and this ship it looks amazing. So it's like the Mall of America on a cruise ship, to be honest. It's crazy. But anyway, they can view all the different stuff. Okay. See different videos, everything that it has to offer. They can explore the staterooms, the shows, every single detail, just like you can. Okay. What's neat about this link, though, is that if they come down to the bottom, maybe I didn't do it right. Hang on. All right. Let's try this again. So they can start planning their vacation. Okay. They can contact you. They can also come down here and select a departure date. What they can do is they can view what departure dates are currently available. As you can see, for the 7-night Eastern Caribbean, everything is sold out except for the suites. Okay. So these other ones have the interiors, ocean views, and balconies still available, and it shows you the starting price. Okay. And over here, it shows you the dates and what ports and all that. Of course, it's all selling out of Miami because it's a brand new ship. Okay. They can make a request. All they have to do is they put their information in, how they want to be contacted, and if their dates are flexible or not. All it's kind of like a quote request specifically for this cruise ship. They submit it, that's going to get sent to your email. That's why it's important to make sure that you have the correct email and everything filled in before you create your custom link. Okay. You're going to get their quote. You're going to see exactly when they want to sail on this ship, and then you can reach out to them and give them their custom quote. The other one I will talk about, for whatever reason, my computer hasn't been letting me load it, which is Viator. So Viator for travel agents, you can have a custom link for them as well. You can do it for any particular destination or just Viator in general. And that is a bookable link that you can share. And when they view it or whatever, let's say that you're promoting a trip to Cancun. Okay. And so you can share a link that is specific to that location. But if they click on it and they want to start exploring on their own and they're like, "Ooh, I want to look at what's in Fiji or what's in Greece or wherever," they can do that. And anything that they book within your link will go to you. Okay. And all you have to do again is fill out that commission tracking form. Okay. So that is affiliate links. And yeah, that's about it for today, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed, and go make that passive income.